course, I want to know the black men count the black women, but we should start seeing our brothers, seeing ourselves in our brothers. And I remember a story when um, Jay told me a while ago. He was, I don't know if he said he was riding with a brother, and some cat asked him like, man, what you looking at? And Jay told the brother, my reflection. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that was, pretty dope, to tell a young brother that. You know what I'm saying? Um, because the thing is, we do have to start looking at each other as, not just as just as being, you know, an individual who's a black man, but we need to see each other as being a part of each other. We need to be start seeing each other as being a connection, a construction, to say, sort of say, of a body. And if we realize that each body part is important to each other, no matter how far it is from the heart or how far it is from the brain. Each body part has its importance and has its duty and has its service to that body. So, and when that body part is lost, then that body loses balance. So, and it has to sort of work to regain that balance. So once we start seeing each other and stop throwing our brothers' emotions and their pain to the side, and masking our own, then I think we can honestly say that yes, brothers, we should start counting to each other.
Got nothing again, bro.